so let's see what we got in the box. So it looks like there's an attachment here of some sort. I guess, what is that, dough attachment? And as you guys can tell, we got the gray color, which looks pretty awesome. It's like a satin gray. So Mila's gonna flip that huge box over, hopefully somehow. It's huge. It's definitely bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Look at the way the bottom looks. It's like got this metal finish and rubber feet. That's nice. Okay, so we got the mixer flipped over. Then there's a book that comes with it. Just a manual basically to the KitchenAid. But this is a professional series, so it's a pretty big one. I think the cup is 6 quarts on this thing. Okay, we got 2 tools so far. And then you got the normal whisker tool, or whatever you call that tool. Right there. That's actually pretty huge. Alright guys, looking at the bowl, you can definitely tell that it's refurbished because it's not perfect. It's got a little bit of stains and scratches inside, but it's not terrible. It's actually pretty good overall. This is a 6 quart bowl here, and you can tell how big that is. It's huge. So the rest of the mixer looks pretty good overall, but there's a few places where it doesn't look perfect. And it's right here, down here. You can tell that there's a little bit of pitting, I guess just from handling maybe or whatever. But other than that, it looks great overall. Everything looks pretty nice. And the top part of it looks pretty much perfect. So Mila's going to try to put the bowl back in. So apparently there's a handle right there that you spin, and it makes it go down. And then whenever you put your bowl on, yeah, I guess you could do it that way. Good point. Alright, so yeah, that's how it operates. So once you get your bowl in, you use that handle to pick it up to mix. So I guess you lower it to you know, put your new tools on or whatever, and then you pick it up to use it. So once you put your tool on, you pick it up, and then you start mixing away. Alright guys, so we got it here in the kitchen. We got it plugged in, and we're going to turn it on and see how it works. But before we do that, let's look at the controls here. So what we got is an on and off, which is at the very end. Then you got a stir, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's basically all your controls. So we'll go to stir, I guess. And I don't know if you guys noticed, it's actually a soft start. Okay, so we're going to go through all the speeds here. That's 2, 4. Wait, does it go in between? Yeah. Okay, so it does go in between. So there's like a 5 between a 4 and a 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all the way. That's pretty quick. And it's not too loud, guys. I mean, it does definitely have a wind up sound to it, but it's not anything ridiculous. So